Wow, red lipstick make my teeth look so yellow. Ugh. Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. Today this video is brought to you by Nadula Hair. So I got some bundles for y'all. So if you want to know all about Nadula Hair and the bundles and what I think and the real tea and all of that stuff, just keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you. Okay, so this video includes paid promotion. However, my opinions are my own. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not going front. I'm gonna keep it a buck with you. I always have, I always will. A little piece of change is not gonna stop that. Okay, I am now in a position where like I could try to find some bundles for y'all, like some good hair for y'all. For those of you who do love bundles, my sisters love bundles, like they are bundle lovers. And now that I don't have bundles anymore, I gotta find the good bundles for them, like, so they can know what's tea. Because they always come to me for their hair questions, and I need to have some hair vendors to give them. So this hair is from Nadula Hair. This is what the hair came in. This is what the box looks like. It's so cute. I love this box. It says Nadula 100% virgin hair, own Nadula Hair, enjoy your natural beauty. And then it has like the hair care instructions on the back and their social media right here, which is really cute and a really nice plug. I love that it came in a box. So cute. And it also came with a wig cap, which I didn't use because I don't use black wig caps, and a little headband. Now I have 18, 20, and 224s. 18-inch closure and a 22-inch bundle, and then 224-inch bundles. So 18-inch closure, 22, and 224s. So yeah, that is the packaging for Nadula Hair. This hair is really soft. I'm going to get straight into it. This hair is really soft. I love it. It's really flowy. They did send me a transparent closure, which I really like, and I think that the best thing like when you buy in a closure, like if you get a closure that's too dark for you and you are of a lighter complexion, there's not really much that you could do to like make it work because it's too dark for you, sis. But if you get a transparent closure or like a light brown lace color closure, then you could always tint it if it's too light. But if it's too dark, you can never go back. If it's too light, you could always like tint it and make it darker. So transparent lace is good, and it definitely blends like with no problem. I did, as I showed y'all in the clip prior, handle the front, but as far as like this part, I did not bleach the knots. I don't bleach knots. I just don't. I just don't have the time, and I don't feel like it's necessary. If I felt like it was absolutely positively necessary, then I would. But like, you could disguise your knots without having to bleach them. The hairline was kind of sort of like pre-plucked, but I did go in and do some plucking just like in the part, just a little bit, nothing like too crazy, just a little bit of plucking. And that was it. I did make this wig with the hot glue gun method. Like, I use the hot glue gun method because who got time to be sitting sewing a wig for 3 to 4 hours? I don't. So I didn't. But I did use the hot glue gun method to make this wig, and it really do last long. I still got wigs that I made like with my own hair, like using a hot glue gun method, that I still have, and they're still intact. So it really does last. You just can't wash it, like you just can't drench it in the water. You just gotta wash it like up until like the cap, basically, because you don't want to wet it too much. And it is body wave. I forgot to mention that it's body wave. So it did come like body wave, but after I washed it, it was just kind of limp. So it needed some curls. Now on to the bad. This, now I know, trust me when I say I know, I used to sell bundles. I know that the longer the bundles, the thinner the bundle will be. Like the longer the length, the thinner it'll be. However, I do feel like these bundles were on the thin side. But it's crazy because now that the hair is in, it does not look thin at all. Even before I put the wand curls in it, like I was looking like, dang, is this the same bundles? Because really and truly, when I was washing them, and I was just like, this is very thin. Like they felt very, very thin. I'm not gonna lie to you, they felt thin, but they don't look thin at all. And like I said, even before I wand curled it, like I was like, wow, this looks full. But I did use all 3 bundles, like every single piece. Okay, so I neglected to specify that normally when I make a wig and I use bundles, I would normally only have to use about 2.5 bundles. But with this one, I had to use all 3 bundles, literally every single piece. And that's why I felt like the bundles were a little bit more thin, because I'm just not used to having to use literally every single piece. Now, that's not a bad thing that I had to use all 3 bundles, but just keep that in mind. And the closure. So that's probably why, I don't know, but I just remember like looking at the bundles, and when I was washing it, I was like, this looks thin. Even my husband, like when I was like washing it, he was like, I mean, I don't really know about it, but they do kind of look a little thin. So they did look very thin. I don't know where all this hair came from. Magic hair, I don't know. And as far as the shedding, it's very minimal shedding. And keep in mind that I did cut the wefts, but I also hot glue gunned it, so I kind of sealed them right back up. But it is very minimal shedding. Like I don't really get much of anything. Oh, I just seen the strand. A strand. I don't really get much of anything, but like I said, I did hot glue gun it, so I kind of pretty much sealed the wefts back up. And I have had this hair for like a good week. So this is just like a first impression. I'll come back and let you know like what the real tea is like after I've worn it for like a good while. But right now it is just letting you see like the first impression of her. And it held the curl. Like I didn't brush them out, but like they still holding on and hanging tough, and I ain't put no product in them, so that's good. So yeah, this was just like a little first impression. I will definitely be back like in a couple of weeks to let you know like how the hair is holding up and what the tea is and all of that. I might even like put it through the real test and sleep in it and stuff, like to see like what she would be like. But yeah, like as of right now, I would definitely recommend this hair. I will be back to let y'all know what the true tea is. So yeah, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in this hair, I will leave all the links down in the description box. The link to the hair, the link to the website and everything like that. So yeah, if you're interested, check the description box. It's very informative. And give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And please be sure to check out Nadula Hair. I think we might have found, you know, a plug for my sisters. And enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.